kids, and welcome to today's session. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. The chapter for today's session is birds. Children, we see a lot of birds around us. Birds are beautiful creature of God. The small animals are called birds and they can fly. You see lots of birds flying in the sky. When you come close to them, they fly away. So birds can fly and they are called the small animals. Today in this session we'll talk about few birds. Let's begin the session with bird number 1. That is very common and looks very pretty. It has green color, red beak. He loves to have chilies, green chilies, his favorite food, and some mimic the human also. Like if you say Mittu, Mittu, he also says Mittu, Mittu, and his common name is Mittu itself. Now, this bird needs no introduction. You can tell me what is its name? Yes, parrot. Now the next bird is a small bird. It has 2 wings and it is brown and grey in color. Tell me, it makes it nest on trees, in houses sometimes also you see their nest. They give their eggs there. Which bird? Which says chichi, chichi. Yes, which bird is this? It is sparrow. Now the next bird is it is a big bird. It has a round face, big eyes, brown in color, and it comes out at night because it can see at night. In night it can see properly, and in the day it sleeps all the day. Yes, which bird is this? Yes, owl. Now the next bird is black in color. It has a strong beak. It eats grains, insects and food also sometimes. What is it? Its name is called black in color and do cow cow. Yes, it is crow. Now the next bird is a big bird. It has sharp eyes. It sees its prey from very long distance. It has very sharp eyes, hooked beak. Which bird is this? It is eagle. Now the next bird is very common, grey in color. It has a small beak and it lives near you in the buildings, in big cities, on trees. You see lot of these birds around you. Yes, it is pigeon. Now the next bird is which cannot fly. It has 2 legs, a beak, but it cannot fly. Yes, it is the male hen, which is called cock. Now the next bird is a tall bird. It has long legs, long neck. It is usually white or grey in color. It lives near rivers, ponds or wetlands. Which bird is this? It is crane. Now the next bird is our country's national bird. It has beautiful green and blue feathers. When it rains, it dances with its tail all spread out. It looks beautiful. Which bird is this? It is peacock. So children, this was the chapter where we talk about the different birds. I hope you understood it well. With this is the end. I'll see you in the next session.